Hello everyone, welcome to week 10. My goodness, 10 weeks already in this course. People are doing a great job. I just can't believe we've already come this far. We're getting really close to the end of the semester in regards to this class. So be sure to keep up with your work and then also take advantage of this module, interviewing. How many of you have prepped for interviewing? I know a lot of you, if I were to preview that question in a classroom setting, a lot of you wouldn't raise your hand, but that's one of the most important things that you can do when you're looking for a job is practice interviewing. This module is going to help you with that. So take a look. We got a few different things. Of course, the only assignment we have to do this week is discussion number 6. Be sure you finish that. Also, make sure you take a look at this link, finding a job and keeping it. Really important. So this link has all kinds of information on where you can find jobs to look at and utilize in the best manner that you can. So take a look at that. Also be sure to watch the video. And I want to talk about one more thing before I let you go in this video recording. So we have a Zoom lecture on 6/28. It's imperative that you're there. It's part of your attendance. It's 1 to 3 p.m. And it's a LGBTQ plus lecture with Brianna Duran. So we're going to learn a little bit about how to communicate and how to converse in the right and appropriate manner. So I think that'll be a really great lecture. I'm looking forward to learning more personally, and I'm hoping that I see all of you there. The link is here, so be sure to join that link. If you need anything, please let me know. Happy to help you in any way I can. So far, you're doing great. I really appreciate your hard work. Have a good weekend. Stay cool out there, and let me know if you need anything. Thanks.